Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Riyadi. I'm from Pasuruan, 19 years old. Kasada Custom Rituals is an annual activity that takes place on the night to 40 months. Kasada Japanese calendar by indigenous Tanggul tried inhabit the area of Mount Bromo. In this kind of rituals, people come from 4 different districts located in the area of Mount Bromo, such as Pasuruan is my village, Probolinggo, Malang, and Lumajang. They gathered in the temple of the foot of Mount Bromo to perform a ritual aimed at honoring Raden Kusuma, their ancestor. Prior to this event, there are several rituals that have been performed before the final events start, such as the holy water withdrawal, ongket, and other rituals. Ongket is the offering or sasajan that are prepared by each village, containing the wealth such as food, animal, fruits, rice, and vegetables that will be thrown in the crater of Bromo. In addition to the ongket rituals, the night of Kasada rituals is the elections of the shamans, which take place at midnight. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.